All right, horn salute. It's what was it, the 2nd of April? Yeah, tornado sirens, warning, hail, threatening weather events. Hey, their flags ain't up. Well, now hold on, here we go. We've got, oh, they got a sign now, Mel. It's Deer Creek Pawn and Gun again. Maybe, I hope they got rid of Wanda.
Gone.
Yeah, well, I hope they're not open today, and it's what,
Wednesday.
well, yeah, you think they'd be open today. So, here we are. Little Glory blowing.
Maybe the tornado scared him.
Maybe so. God, that's an ugly fucking green. That is. That's just. No, just go. Bronco. Why would you buy one, them motherfuckers? Whew. So yeah, the night after the big storm. Watch this stupid motherfucking shit. Yeah, watch that stupid shit. Big blue Jeep. So, yeah, we're in severe weather season now. We just lost our renter's insurance thanks to the fine folks at CFM and the brokers involved. They wanted to hose us for $184. And like, well, fuck you, I ain't got that kind of money. So we're getting insurance tomorrow. But that didn't help us through last night. Look at the sky there, man. Once you go that way, you can drive through there and go in the back way in the hood. Give me a couple minutes on this. Big old piece of car right there. Yeah, look at the sky there. Roof missing there. Not too much damage. A few years back, about 10 years ago. Yeah, about 10 years ago, we seen a lot worse. It's been a while. One thing I've noticed, the wind's been a lot different. And so is the rain. It's been heavier. Nice boat. Just park it out there like a piece of shit. You can go, rural America, baby. And there you go. That's what happens to your boat when you just leave it outside and don't bother to cover it up. God, man, I think I'd treat my boat a lot better. Looks like an old freight car back there on the tracks, man. That there, look at that fucking roof caved in back there on that fucking shed. Stupid shit. I wish these kids would stop graffitiing. Go ahead and chrome them motherfuckers. Jesus God. Alright guys, you can quit graffitiing. It's tacky. It looks like shit. This ain't the fucking city. It's an old house they redone. Yeah, the fence is fucked up though. Yeah, spring is springing. Spring is spring. The redbuds look good. Jeez. I used to live over back in there. I'm glad I don't live over here anymore. Look at that. There are children walking in the roadway. Shit, man. Hit the like and subscribe to Arista.